So in this particular video, we're going to look at effect of tooth loss on the stability of our dentition and the stability of our tooth. We look at an actual example of a patient not replacing a lost tooth for many number of years, and let's look at what are the effects of tooth loss and effects of not replacing the tooth over a period of time. So now in this particular patient, we can see we are having a CT scan in front of us. So this is a reconstructed image, the jaw of the patient's scan. So this particular patient has lost a lower right first molar. So that's the first molar tooth. You can see that the patient is having one tooth missing, and see the effect of the tooth on this. So this is the particular tooth that is missing. So because this tooth has not been replaced for many number of years, you can actually see this tooth lying down in front, and it's actually trying to close the gap. Now what is the problem here is, because of this movement, when the patient opens and closes the mouth, when the patient bites on the food, the upper and the lower teeth don't join naturally, because there is going to be a disturbance in the way the tooth joins, because the tooth has actually moved. That's what. And two is, it becomes extremely difficult to maintain those gaps. So this tooth has moved here, so there is a new gap developing here, there's a gap developing here, which can lead to decay. The upper tooth is coming down also, causing decay. So now these are some of the problems that needs to be addressed. So now what are the ways to address it? We can of course do a bridge to replace the tooth. That's one. And also we can do an implant to replace the tooth there. But when we do a bridge or an implant, what we need to understand is, first is we need to straighten this tooth out, create the space to put a molar tooth there, and once we create a space, we do an implant or a bridge replacement. So because we have failed to replace the tooth well in time, so we need to do a corrective measure and then do the replacement. So it's important that we take immediate action, of course not to extract the teeth, but if we extract the teeth, take corrective action to replace the teeth at the earliest possible time. I hope you like this video. If there are any questions, we'll be happy to answer. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running a dental centers at Chennai, Rajanamalipuram since the year 2001. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, Pearls Dentistry. We've got a whole bunch of videos coming out every day to you. Thank you, Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye.
லைக் பட்டன் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐகான் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு வரும். தேங்க்யூ.